Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Install Snap by running the next command. Once installation is finished, use Snap to install Vue by running the following command. Next, go into your desktop. There you will find a Vue by icon or by searching it in the system search bar. Now you can start work with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.